Not surprisingly, the auto company known for its handling and reliability also has the best gas mileage. Honda, the most fuel-efficient auto company in America.
Hello and welcome to Tech 101. I'm Eric Hesseldahl, Senior Technology Writer here at BusinessWeek.com. This is our weekly podcast where we answer your questions about technology. So send us some questions. The email address is tech101@businessweek.com. Our question this week comes from Biodun in Lagos, Nigeria, which I think is our first international letter. And he writes to ask, I once read that Bill Gates uses 3 monitors with his PC, one for browsing the web, one for writing and replying to email and writing code, and the other for incoming email. I have a notebook and 2 additional monitors. What hardware or software is required to use all 3 displays at once? Well, Biodun, it's absolutely true. I checked with Microsoft just yesterday, and someone poked their head directly into Bill Gates' office, and yes, indeed, he does work with 3 monitors. But fortunately for you, you don't have to be a billionaire to work like a billionaire. All you need is a little bit of software and a little bit of hardware, and I'm going to show you that right now. So you can see I've set up my notebook here with 3 different screens, bringing us to a total of 4. What I've used to get this done is the Triple Head to Go. It's from a company called Matrox. It's $300, and you can find it pretty much anywhere computers are sold, or you can order it directly from the company or your favorite online retailer. And what it does is it takes the input from your computer that would normally go to a conventional monitor and splits it among 3. Now there's a software install that's required, and the CD comes in the box, and a couple of connections that are required as well. And then what you do is you take your 3 monitors and connect them to the box, here, here, and here, and each one is labeled right, left, and center. And then it's just a matter of running the software and doing some setup. And you can see here, I've got my Windows display set up right here, and 1 is the primary screen, and 2, that stretched number 2 there indicates these 3 larger screens. And so what I'm going to do right here is show you, briefly, move my mouse. I've got one window here with Microsoft Word, one window over here with Excel, and one window here with PowerPoint. I'm going to grab this PowerPoint presentation, drag it right over here, and to the extent that I might want to drag it over here, I can, right there. And so you've basically got one gigantic desktop, and pretty much everybody I know who's done this, working with 2 or more screens or more than 1 screen, swears by the increase in productivity simply because you've got a bigger workspace to work with. I use 2 screens myself, and Biodun's question has got me wondering if maybe I should add a third. So here you go. Now one advantage on using the Triple Head to Go versus, say, adding a video card is that when you add a video card to a desktop machine, for instance, you have to open the case. And that's really not an option with a notebook. Notebook tends to be more of a closed system. So getting a dedicated component that controls all the monitors is probably a little bit easier, especially if you're a novice user. And it's as easy as basically connecting the monitors and installing a little bit of software. So there's really no difficulty to set up. Additionally, I should point out, this product works equally as well with a Mac as with a PC. So if you do some video editing or that sort of thing on the Mac, you can get in on the multiple monitor game as well. Now Biodun, you wrote me from Nigeria, and I asked Matrox if they sell this product in Nigeria, and they didn't have an immediate answer for me, but they did tell me that they have an office in the United Kingdom that's responsible for distribution in Africa, and they do definitely sell the product in South Africa, so I don't know if that's any help to you. If you have any retailers, online retailers there who can ship to you from South Africa to Nigeria, that may be an option. But then again, it may very well be available in Nigeria. You just need to look for it a little bit. So I wish you luck in finding it, and good luck with your productivity. So Biodun, thanks for writing, and thanks to everyone else for watching. I'm Eric Hesseldahl, and this is Tech 101. And don't forget to send us your questions. The address is tech101@businessweek.com. Remember, technology should be easy, and when it's not your fault. We'll see you next week.
Not surprisingly, the auto company known for its handling and reliability also has the best gas mileage. Honda, the most fuel-efficient auto company in America.